YouTube, this is Chop. Welcome to my channel. I do hope this video finds you in good spirits. On my way home from work, I think I'm ready to change out these ugly stock handlebars on my Road Glide. You guys know from previous videos, like most people, I do not like the stock handlebars. Sorry about that, YouTube. Every now and then I just gotta do it just because I love the sound. So anyway, I'm thinking about changing out the stock handlebars. I called Harley Davidson. This is what happened. So I called a Harley Davidson dealership to find out what the labor would be to change out these handlebars. Just the labor, because I do have a bunch of Harley points built up, so I can save quite a bit on the bars themselves. But I was gonna have them do the labor. So I called them to find out how much that would cost. Harley told me it would take them about 7 hours to switch out my handlebars. 7 hours and $972 plus tax later. I thought to myself, you gotta be shitting me. I got a buddy who's 65 years old. He's not a motorcycle technician, he's not a mechanic. He's just a guy in a garage with a couple of wrenches, just like you and me. He changed his handlebars out in about 3 hours. Now, the only reason why it took him 3 hours is because my buddy likes to have a beverage about every 15 or 20 minutes. Otherwise, it probably wouldn't have even taken him that long. So a full-service shop, like the Harley Davidson dealership, with state-of-the-art tools and a shop full of technicians, it would take them 7 hours to change out my handlebars and $900 plus tax. Well, I was a little bit upset, YouTube. I understand Harley has to make a profit. They're in business to make a buck. I get it. I sell a product too. I'm in business to make money. I get it. You're trying to get a profit. But damn, you got to make it all on me? And as you know from my previous videos, I'm not afraid to turn a wrench. I installed my headers, the slip-ons, the air intake. I've done quite a few things myself on this bike. So I'm not afraid to turn a wrench to save a buck. I think these handlebars is going to be another opportunity for me to turn a wrench. Because I'm not trying to pay Harley about $1,000 in labor to change out some handlebars. I just don't think that that's necessary. So anyway, YouTube, I wasn't too happy with Harley. I do like my Harley Davidson dealership. I like my sales guy. He's a cool guy. And for the most part, I like all the service guys and even a couple of the parts guys. I mean, it's a pretty cool dealership. But man, I just think this is a little bit extravagant. So Chop is going to dust off his wrenches again. And if and when I decide to change these bars out, which I think is going to be pretty quick, I'll make a video. It's not going to be an install video, because even though it won't take me to 7 hours to do it like Harley says it would take them, it might take me every bit of 4 or 5. So that's a lot of editing out of that video to make it worth your while to watch it. So it won't be an install video. I'll probably put it on time lapse. But anyway, I just wanted to fill you in on my latest rendezvous with Harley Davidson. And hopefully you won't have to look at these stock handlebars every time I post a video. But anyway, YouTube, thanks for visiting my channel. Y'all stay blessed out there, and we'll catch you on the flip-flop.